All right, so I had somebody ask me a question on one of my videos, and I haven't had a whole lot of time to invest in making YouTube videos lately because I've been busy actually working. They asked me how to pull a set of hydraulic hoses through a boat, hydraulic steering hoses, if they should use a pull string or what I recommended. So I'm gonna make a quick video and show you what I do that works every time and it doesn't make a mess. Not too bad anyway. All right, so what you do is you go to the lumber yard and you buy one of these double-ended fittings. I'm not sure the thread size. You'll have to find a cap or cut one end of the hose off you're not going to use and bring it with you. But it basically screws on both sides, so it screws the hose together. And when you pull it, it pulls it all through at one time, and it doesn't dump oil all the way through your boat. So I hope this helps somebody, and it's not going to be long. I appreciate y'all watching, and let me know if it helps.